Door still sticks. Hey, ducks. It's time to come out. We know you're ready to come out. There they are. Quickly feed everybody before I have to go to work. Come on, get out of my way. Really, I just almost got tripped by a chicken. Literally swiped my foot as it was in midair. Everything's all wet. It rained, so everything's wet. Ducks are waiting for their food. Just give me a minute. Give me a minute. I need some chicken food. I'm almost out. Come on, chickens. Come on, chickens. Come on. Come on, ducks. Come on, ducks. Come on, ducks. You gotta kind of chase them back to their station. Come on. If you guys want to get fed, you gotta go. Come on. Come on, ducks. They haven't figured out yet that they gotta follow me. Come on. Come on. Come on. You gotta feed them right next to the water source because they have to be able to drink when they eat. All right, I gotta go. Come on, chickens. Here, chick, chick, chick. Don't you be flapping your wings at me. There. My adventures are done for this morning. I have got to go to work. But everybody's fed. The ducks have been let out. The chickens are out. And now they're going to fight each other for food. Whoever's done eating first is going to go steal the other person's food. As you can see, the chickens are already trying to make that happen. You guys have your own. Leave those ducks alone. As soon as the goats get done eating their sweet feed, they're going to go try to look for some chicken food and duck food to bully. That's some rice I dumped out yesterday for the chickens. They still walk away if you get too close, so I gotta stay back. Come on, chickens! Come on, chickens! Leave them alone. Alright, it's time for me to go to the florist.